This is the next generation of Rusher foldable electric bike. A powerful, smooth, and versatile beast of the road. Easy to assemble and adjust to fit you perfectly. A durable aluminum alloy suspension frame. 3-spoke mountain bike rims that are great for all terrains, cruising on concrete, off-road on dirt roads, or even riding in sand or snow. Equipped with 6 different speed settings. Double mechanical disc brake system, secured and safe for braking. Three working modes. Easily switch and control between regular riding mode, pedestal assistant mode, and throttle modes. Smart bike computers with a mirror, horn, front bike lights make it phenomenal for night riding. The built-in 48V 10AH large capacity battery is removable and super easy to charge. It's fitted with aluminum alloy chain wheels for those tough terrains. Foldable frame, handlebars, and pedals make it really easy to store in small places like a train, bus, or car trunk. Get one of these beasts today and experience a new kind of bike. The Rusher foldable electric bike. Enjoy the ride.